the market is responding as predicted. If you watch my last video, I talked about the Bitcoin price will try to attack this big wick that we just created, and you can see this is where the market is traveling to. You can see what is happening. The market breaks structure, and that was a pullback, and that was another high created. There was a little bit pullback, which was nothing at 4-hour time frame, but maybe on the 1 hour you will see something there, and we'll still have another high. Now this high, I'm seeing it to attack this big wick right here. Now this is where I'm expecting the market to travel to. Now before I tell you what will happen next, now let me welcome you to this show. We just started what we call Bitcoin daily forecast in our channel. All you need to do is to like our video. Please like this video so that so many people will see this video and watch it. Now these daily forecasts, we're going to be doing analysis every single day, showing you what is happening in the Bitcoin price, so you can take advantage in trading it if you are interested in trading. And even if you don't want to trade it, it can also help you to know when to buy cryptocurrency, because why? Bitcoin is like, let's say, the father of cryptocurrency at the moment. Not at the moment, he's the father of cryptocurrency. Now whatever that is happening to Bitcoin affects all altcoins, so you need to know what is happening to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is bullish, so many other coins will be bullish. If Bitcoin is bearish, a lot of them will be going down. So let's get straight into what is happening to Bitcoin at the moment. As you can see, acts exactly the way I predicted. Now yesterday we were expecting sales when the market was at this level. Let me go ahead to zoom it so you can see what is happening. So this is the 4-hour time frame, so we are just seeing what is happening to Bitcoin. Like I told you, I always focus on the recent range to be able to predict the price of the market. All right, so this is what is happening at the moment. Yesterday we saw price at this level. Now when price broke this structure, I told you guys that we might actually start attacking this high, this previous high right here, and obviously that is what we are doing. Now yesterday we saw a pullback and another break of structure. Now there was another pullback here on the 4-hour, but it's not too obvious. But on the 1 hour it is very obvious. Before we had another break of structure. Obviously we're gonna have another pullback, maybe a little bit pullback to attack these highs of 20,900 and something. Now this is the high I'm expecting the market to get to. Now when we get to that high, this is when I will start looking out for something in the market to say, okay, are we still going bullish, are we going bearish? Because at the moment right now I will wait. Guys, there is nothing wrong with waiting. So many of you are eager to jump into the market and start taking trades. For me, I like waiting, seeing things before I take action. So this is where I'm expecting the market to get to. I am still in this trade. Well, let me go ahead to delete this, delete my entry. Okay, let me go ahead to hide it. So let me lock it up and hide it. Okay, all right, so I'll bring it out later. So this is where I'm expecting the market to get to at this level. Now once the market gets to this level, this is where will be waiting to see what is going to happen to Bitcoin price from this level, at this level. So if we see the market breaking above this structure, obviously we have turned bullish, a mini bullish, not a strong bullish move. It's just a mini bullish, probably to attack the previous levels, the previous lower high. This is where we're going to be getting to if we close bullish. Yeah, for example, if we close bullish above this structure right here, we're expecting another pullback to start targeting the highs. But if we don't close above that, we'll start looking for bearish formation to take the market to the downside. So what is this bearish formation I'm talking about? I'm talking about structured breaks breaking to the downside. We will start seeing the market failing to create higher highs, and we'll start seeing lower lows forming. So this is when I'll be comfortable taking the market to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting right now in Bitcoin. All you need to do, for me, I will have to wait, because why? Taking buy or sell here is like taking trading at the middle of nowhere. But even if I will take anything, the only thing I will take right now, which is in any position, should be longs. Because why? We see a lot of break of structure happening already in the market. So you can see another break of structure. These are minor break of mini structured breaks. All right, so let me get another one. You can see another structured break here. So for me, if I would take anything here, I will take longs. So what will I do? All I need to do is just to get my premium and discount too and place it here, from here to this place. So this is where I'll put it. So I'm expecting the market, if we can have a pullback, if we can have a pullback to this demand area, this is when I'll be taking it to the upside. So let's go to what I want to see, if we can see anything in that level. All right, so as you can see, the way we are just climbing, creating higher highs, you can see the way we're just creating higher highs, targeting that high, targeting this high. So this is where we are gonna get to. For me, once we break this guy, obviously I'm waiting for the market to, you know, tap into this deeper level of the daily lower high. This is daily lower high that we just created before flushing to the downside. So if we break this structure, I'm expecting the market to tap into that daily lower high there. All right, so this is what is actually happening right here. So seeing what is happening, I'm going to be taking longs at 50% retracement. So where are the 50% retracement level? So this is the first level where I can possibly take long. Okay, sorry about that. Let me. These are possible places I can actually take longs. So on this other block right here, yeah, some people call it other block, some people call it demand, anyone, still the same. So all of them are still the same thing. All right, so this is just the way I say it. All of them are the same thing. So I'll be looking for how the market will start forming if we get to that area. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. We can, if we have a pullback below this 50% region, I was just looking for shift in structure, whether from here or from here. But here is actually very, very conducive. But I don't think Bitcoin will pull down to this place, because sometimes Bitcoin doesn't give us that deep pullback. It will just, maybe you can just get here and start, you know, changing formation, bullish formation to the upside. But whatever that is happening, all I need to do is to pay attention to these two levels to see what this market is doing. Even if we get to this place, all I need to do is to wait for you know, change of structure, and I'll start taking it to the upside. So this is what I will be waiting for. If the market gets to that level and start forming bullish signs. Now these are bullish signs, which is higher highs. Now this is how the market moves. I'm going to be explaining more of this, you know, teaching you more of this in the upcoming videos. So you can see, if I start seeing this formation playing out on the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes time frame, so this is when I can comfortably take a long and start targeting. The first target is this high. So this is the first target. It's a very mini target. The first target should be this particular high here, this high here. That's the first target. So that's the first target for me, to target this high. The second target is to target this high. So once we get to that level, we start looking out for how the market is reacting at that level, if we're actually going to go more long or going to take shots from that place. So let's see how it goes. I believe you got something from this video. So if you love this video, please smash the like button, you know, turn on the bell notification and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video, because we just started a series called Bitcoin Daily Forecast. So this is what we're going to be doing every single day in this channel, sharing with you what is happening to Bitcoin on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. All you need to do is to check the link in the description and join our Telegram channel. See you tomorrow.